This is Corey Hillis with EMF Solutions, and we're going to show you guys how to install a commander box on an electric meter when the electric meter doesn't have any pipes that we normally would use the clamp to attach it to. Okay, so when you don't have a clamp, there's an easy system we'll go over in a second. But first, we're not licensed contractors, so we of course have to officially advise you to get a handyman or a licensed contractor to screw one screw into your stucco. Okay, so getting that out of the way. The first thing that you do is you take the commander box clamp off. So you just kind of unscrew it, you press down, it kind of comes out like that. You put that off on the side. Next, I'll go over what the ingredients are or the tools needed. So you got your commander box. We also want to drill, Phillips head screwdriver, some kind of marking tool like a pencil. We're going to mark our spot in a second. And then the stucco anchor, I'll give you guys a close-up of it. This is what you can pick up from Home Depot or any hardware store just about. This one is a 3/16 times 1.5 inch, and it automatically comes with a drill bit that's perfect size, which in this case is 1/8 of an inch. So we'll take one of our official screws out. And the first thing we do is we take our commander box and we say, where do we place this? This is where the clamp side used to be. There's a metal plate. This metal plate must face the meter, or must face it would be the metal box around the meter. So this plate would be touching the metal box, or just pretty close to it's just as good. And what we want to do is we want to place it right about here. You could also place it up top, again with this clamp facing the meter, and that would work just as well. But in this case, we're just going to go right next door because you can hang one screw and hang it, and that's done. So you're going to want to hang it here, mark the spot. Then you're going to take your 1/8 inch drill bit. You're going to take that marked spot, and you're going to put that drill in just enough to get the screw in. This is the screw that's meant for stucco that this came with. Now we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to stick it through the top hole so that, again, the clamp side's facing the meter, and then screw it in. And this is going to go in quick because this is a mock meter. But once you are done screwing that in, voila, that's it. Okay. Now one more thing I want to go over. This is for the average normal house. If your house is over 4,000 square feet, if you have solar panels, if you have a cell tower within a half a block of your house, if you have transformers that are on the electric poles, those barrels, or high voltage power lines that are really close to your house, you're going to want two commander boxes. They're going to face the same direction, and they're going to be one would go here, one would go here, both facing the same direction. You could also put them here and here, both facing down. And otherwise, that's very simple. So good luck, guys.